Welcome to Health Harmony Hub, where we believe that a good night's sleep is a cornerstone of overall well-being. Today, we unravel the secrets of sleep hygienics and practices to ensure you wake up refreshed and ready to embrace the day. 1. Consistent sleep schedule. Begin with consistency. Establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, promoting better sleep quality. 2. Create a soothing bedtime ritual. Craft a soothing bedtime ritual to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, gentle stretching, or practicing relaxation techniques. 3. Optimize sleep environment. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in comfortable bedding and consider blackout curtains to eliminate any disruptions. 4. Limit screen time before bed. Minimize screen time before bedtime. The blue light emitted by phones and computers can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Aim to disconnect at least an hour before bedtime. 5. Mindful eating and hydration. Be mindful of your eating and drinking habits before bedtime. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine close to bedtime. Opt for a light snack if hunger strikes, and stay hydrated without excessive liquid intake close to bedtime. 6. Regular exercise routine. Establish a regular exercise routine. Regular physical activity promotes better sleep, but try to finish intense workouts a few hours before bedtime to allow your body to wind down. 7. Manage stress and anxiety. Manage stress and anxiety through relaxation techniques. Whether it's deep breathing, meditation, or journaling, find practices that help calm your mind and prepare you for restful sleep. 8. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow. Prioritize comfort. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow that support your preferred sleep position. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in overall sleep quality. 9. Establish a pre-bedtime tech-free zone. Create a tech-free zone before bedtime. The glow from screens can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Disconnect and engage in calming activities to prepare your mind for rest. 10. Recognize the connection to overall well-being. Acknowledge the profound connection between sleep, overall well-being, and fitness recovery. Quality sleep enhances physical and mental recovery, supporting your overall health and fitness journey. Congratulations on taking steps toward mastering sleep hygiene. For more tips on holistic well-being, subscribe to Health Harmony Hub. Until next time, your nights be restful and your days full of vitality.